welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Happy Sunday. For today's video, I decided to go with a thrift haul so that I could actually start working on a few of these things. So that's what I have for you. It's not a huge haul. My husband and I have been out the past 2 weeks, and I tell you, most of the Goodwills I'm coming away with absolutely nothing in my hands. We did manage to hit a few estate sales though, and that's where I got quite a bit of what you see here. There are a few Goodwill items, but really not many. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to get started on the things we found. So I'll start over here. At the one estate sale we went to on Sunday, it was half price day, so everything I got from there was half off. I picked up these old beaters. I thought this was just kind of cool. I love the green handle. Oops, almost dropped it. I like the green handle. It was marked at $6, so half price. It was only $3. I got this beautiful old bowl. I just absolutely love this. I think it's so gorgeous. Inside and out. It was marked at $12, but again, half price, so I got it for $6. Then if you've got a mixer and a beater, or a bowl and a beater, you can't go wrong with some measuring spoons. And these were marked at $2, so they were $1. So I just went ahead and grabbed them. My mom used to have this exact set of measuring spoons. I remember them from when I was a kid, and I just think they'll be cute in a little vignette with maybe a salt and pepper shaker and the bowl and the beater. It will be really cute. So then I found at another estate sale, they were also doing half price day. So these frogs were, this one was $2, old vintage glass frog. This small guy was $1. So I grabbed both of those. Then this one I picked up for a couple dollars. And this one, same thing, for $2. This one still has floral putty on the back, which I am going to have fun trying to get back off of it. But I thought it was kind of cool. Very pokey, but kind of cool. Then I grabbed these two Christmas trees. I don't know that they're vintage, but they're metal and they're just cool. And so they will make a great addition to one of my Christmas vignettes. And this one was $2 and this one was $2. So really, I could not pass these up. Then this was at the estate sale as well for half off, so it was $3. Little salt and pepper shaker in the basket. I thought these were so cute, and when I put them up on the counter, they actually started dumping salt all over, so the salt shaker still has salt in it. I'm gonna have to clean that out. But anyway, for $3, I just couldn't pass them up. This was the only thing that I got at one of the Goodwills. This is a cute little jar. It was $2.99. The lid comes off. It's a little cookie jar for Easter. I'm just going to set it aside until Easter time. But I love the color. It really goes well in the colors that I normally put out. So this will be a perfect addition to an Easter vignette. Now, this picture I had to grab because I have a friend who absolutely loves cats, and I think she would love this. It was $1.99 at the Goodwill, and it's just a cute little print of kitties. It's called Mischief, and I just thought it was cute, so I grabbed it. This odd little thing is just a hanger. The reason I grabbed it, it was at the estate sale. I think she sold it to me for $2. I have in my stash in our storage unit a really cool, it's a wrought iron, I believe, or cast iron pine cone that's got a hanger on it. It's really heavy, and I've never found anything to hang it from. So I thought this would be perfect for that. So I went ahead and grabbed it. Now, my dear, this was $2.99 as is. It's obviously got a broken leg. I figured I would fix this with Bondo. The only thing I realized inside, it's got wire that holds this leg in place. So it's going to be interesting to try because it really doesn't want to go back exactly where it's supposed to be. So it might be a little bit of a challenge to make him look brand new again without damaging the structure of it. But for $2.99, I can never find deer this size that are pretty. So I went ahead and took a chance, and hopefully I can fix it. All right, I found this little milk pitcher at the Goodwill for $3.99. It's really cute. It's got a very thin handle, and honestly, it looks like it could be older. I'm not really sure. Then again, it could be from Hobby Lobby. You never know with these things anymore. But I thought it was cute. I love the black and white, and I will probably put some florals in this and just put it out the way that it is. This little owl creamer I also picked up at the estate sale for $2. I thought this was just so cute. I have no idea where it came from originally, but it's just a super cute little piece, and the neutral color scheme just totally matches everything in the cottage anyway, so I went ahead and grabbed it for $2. I got these two angel statues. This one is holding flowers. It's a little tea light holder. I think they're just beautiful. I love this porcelain look with the creamy colored porcelain and the little bits of gold. I think these are great for Christmas. I might just put them in with one of my Christmas vignettes. And this was on sale. It was normally $3.99 and it was a half price item, so I got it for $2. And then this one, same thing. She just has a horn instead of flowers. And again, she was $2. So I will put her out with my Christmas stuff. This little picture I thought was just cute. It looks vintage. At the bottom of it says oven proof USA. I just thought it was cute. I love the shape of it. I will put this out in just one of my regular displays, but it was only $3.99, so I went ahead and grabbed it. This lamp is so cool, you guys. I just love it. I'm not too super keen on these little hurricanes on either side. I might eventually replace those with something different. I love the silver base. It works. I have LED bulbs in here that kind of give a nice golden glow in this, but again, I'll probably change these out and I might put different bulbs in it at some point. But it was at that same estate sale and I got it for $5, and I just think it is absolutely cute. So I almost took it home. This Christmas tree is just, it looks homemade. It's in good shape. It's pretty sturdy. It's filthy, needs a bath. I'll probably hose it down really well. But I thought this will be a great backdrop for one of my Christmas displays, just something that I can put in the back to build things forward off of it. I don't know that I'm going to do anything with it. I might just leave it as is. Then again, I might change my mind and decide to put something on it. Really not sure at this point, but for $5, I couldn't pass it up. Then there's this big shelf. This is made to go on the wall like this. I just liked the shape and the form of it. I think I might use it to put some of my molds or transfers in from Redesign with Prima. It's a Hobby Lobby piece, so it's nothing vintage or anything like that, but it was only $6, and I figure I can definitely use it to organize something, so I went ahead and grabbed it. And then lastly is this set of nesting tables. I just think these are so cute. They're in really rough shape. This one even has where the knot was in the wood. It's kind of rough on the side. It looks like it's got some filthy, gross, disgusting stuff on it too. But they're both really sturdy little tables. And I really kind of want to get these done so that I can use them as risers in my big display on my spool. So these are probably going to be something that I'm going to get started on here really soon. And one of the reasons I wanted to get this video finished so that I could go ahead and start painting them because I'd already shown them to you guys. So anyway, oh, and they were $9.99 for the set of them, which I think was a great price on them. So I'm looking forward to doing something with them. Like I said, I'm really not sure at this point if I'm going to sand down the tops and leave them natural and just paint the base, or if I want to paint the whole things and maybe add some transfers or something to the tops of these. Not sure yet, but I will think of something, I'm sure. So anyway, that is it for my thrift haul for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate that. And if you haven't already, I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe to my channel and then just hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. And then don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know if you had a favorite item in today's haul. And for Thursday's video, I already have some things in the works for that. I'm also hoping to get started on these little tables, so they might get thrown in there as well. But at any rate, I will have something for you, so I hope you'll join me back here for that. Until then, have a great rest of your weekend and beginning of the week. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate it, and I will see you back here on Thursday. Bye.